Now open your blog folder in text editor. Start terminal. List. Let's activate virtual environment. Virtual environment is activated. Go to my blog. Now we start our server. Our server is start. Let's open. Congratulations, our Django project is on. Now we can write our first hello world app. So import HTTP response. Now create function index. It takes request parameter, return it, HTTP response, hello world, save. For viewing hello world in browser, we need URLs, so make URLs file in app, urls.py, and then register your app in main project. Here are some tips for your help. Admin is already registered. Here we need to include and register your main app. Include main.urls and then save it. Now go to URLs, import URLs here. Path. From this folder, import views, and write your URL patterns. Path, give the path. Views.index comma name equals to home. Save it. Now refresh it. It gave page not found. Now what is our URL? our URL is main. We are entering in main folder. Our URL is /main. Here is our hello world app.